In this video, you'll learn how to make a Microsoft Bookings link. We'll go from opening the site to creating a new meeting type to saving it so you have a shareable link you can send to others. Even though the process is short, I'll walk you through each part slowly and clearly so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, open your web browser and go to the address bar at the top. Type in booked.ms and press enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Bookings page. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in with your Microsoft account. Use the account that you want to use for scheduling, for example, your work or school account, so that the bookings connect to the right calendar. Once you're signed in, you should see the main Microsoft Bookings interface. On the main page, look for an option that says Create Meeting Type. This is the button that lets you set up a specific kind of appointment people can book with you, such as a consultation, a check-in, or a quick call. Go ahead and click Create Meeting Type. If you don't see it right away, it may be near the top of the page or under a section related to meeting types or scheduling options. Once you click it, a new screen or panel will open where you can customize your meeting. Now you'll fill in the details for this meeting type. Start with the meeting name. Choose something clear and descriptive so that when people see the link, they understand what they're booking, such as intro meeting or project review. Next, look for the duration setting and choose how long you want the meeting to be. Common lengths are 15, 30, or 60 minutes, but pick whatever works best for you. You may also see options to set your availability for this meeting type. This controls when people can book time with you. For example, you might limit it to certain days of the week or certain hours of the day. Setting this carefully helps you avoid bookings outside your working hours or at inconvenient times. Look for fields where you can add a description or instructions. This is a good place to briefly explain what the meeting is for, what the other person should prepare, or anything they should know before booking. Keep it short but helpful. Some setups also let you choose whether the meeting is online or in person. If it's online, make sure it's set to generate a Teams meeting link or whatever online option you prefer. You might also see settings related to buffer time between meetings, maximum number of bookings per day, or minimum notice before someone can book. While these are optional, they can help you manage your schedule more comfortably. Adjust them if needed, or leave the defaults if you're not sure yet. Once you've entered all the details and you're happy with the setup, look for the Save button. Click Save to create the meeting type. After saving, Microsoft Bookings will generate a link associated with this meeting type. You can usually find this link in the meeting type details or in the main list of meeting types. This is the link you can copy and share by email, chat, or on your website so people can easily book time with you. That's all it takes. By going to Booked.ms, creating a meeting type, filling in the details, and saving, you've created a Microsoft Bookings link that makes scheduling simple and organized for both you and the people you meet with.